Your successes are like when I get to hear people make 400,000, $1 million, that makes me excited. Daniel will tell you that I've gotten him to where he's at, and so it's literally changed. He's been to Orlando twice this year, and that's what he's able to do with growing this business. Again, if you don't mind, put in the group. We're going to do some cutting and stuff, so that way you get the cutting. I don't know, are we going to your house or no?
I don't think so.
That's what I was gonna say, it's hot as Hades out there. We'll do some cutting in here. We'll try to do cutting probably on those round tables, just so that way, and this is something too, when you're cutting, try to have a cut table with a tarp down. Because when you'll just be trimming this stuff and it's very sharp. We had the little girl comes running out with no shoes on. The old man comes walking out with no shoes on. And so if we didn't have that tarp down, there would be little pieces down there that you wouldn't get up and they would get right into their foot. And so that's why I say we had a cut table. And you know what? It wasn't the most convenient spot for a cut table. DJ got 4 miles of walking in one day because we had to have the cut table. And we didn't want to put the tarp down in the grass, right? Because this was a nice home. DJ literally, this is a new home. They got new sod over there. I'm like, no, that's what regular people do, is they fix what's wrong. They're not like the rest of the country. They don't just throw grass seed in it. They tear it out, put grass in. And like the bushes were so manicured, and like every week there's probably somebody out there cutting. Like it was just an immaculate house. He's got a question back there.
Dormers, some of those are going to be tough.
Dormers are hard to get up to. Sometimes I say, I've ran across the singles. It's not what I wanted, but we couldn't get in access and they wanted to like. It's like the one house, I'll show you this house here, that I didn't like it, but you know what? They liked it. And here's the thing, this house here, if you look right here, they wanted this lights across here.